Hello, and today's topic is load balancer service. So you come to the Killer Coda, and there you will search new lab. So here you find new CKA labs. Just click this lab. You will find the working playlist and scenarios. So you go to Neokloud load balancer scenario. I have already mentioned all the steps carefully so that you can easily perform the things. So in this exercise, we'll learn load balancer services inside a killer coda. Although no real cloud load balancer services is available. So we have done a workaround to show that how the load balancer services works. So step one is deploy Nginx app. So we'll deploy this Nginx app. Here cat2af. So you can make a YAML file and also deploy like. This is a YAML file. So I can vi app.yaml, or you can paste that also. So it will be automatically created. You need not to apply -f app.yaml. So this is created. Now load balancer services you need to create. So copy this and create a lb svc.yaml. So it's basic, the app equal to new cloud. Here also the app equal to new cloud. The label should be template label should be matched. Here this is for the deployment. So this label should match so that it can wq. So k apply f lb. Okay, this is created. Now k get pods. So what does it mean? Here app equal to new cloud, only app will show. So here two pods are showing. So install the metal lb. Now we have to install the metal lb. Now I have to I have to copy this link and paste it here. We are we are configuring metal lb because just we have to show that externally we can reach only via the public IP, but we don't have a public IP in Killer Coda. So this is the workaround we are doing. So wait for few seconds so that this pod will be ready, and it takes a little time. So this pod should also be running. Now it is running. So Control C, and you can verify once again. So it's running. So configure metal lb IP ranges, because metal our node IP ranges, if it is not in this range, so we have to change it. But I have put this range because my node IP is in this range, k gate nodes -o wide. So you see here this is the OWID. So you see here is the only 2 IP. So I had here it is in the range. So Control L. Now I have to directly I can apply this via EUF type of things. Otherwise you need to create a YAML file and paste it. So this IP address pool is updated and this advertisement is also updated. Now check the external IP. So copy and paste. So you will see external IP. If we won't do this type of things, then here you will always see a pending. Or if you have to do it via AWS or something cloud services or load balancer. Once you see this IP, I have created like those. So because you won't need to do some exercise. So now I'll paste this. So Cloudflare is installed. We have to create the tunnel. So Cloudflare tunnel, copy, paste. This only we are doing because we don't have a public IP. If you do have a public IP, then you can directly do the things. So here you will see this is, you have to focus here that your quick tunnel has been created, visit. So when I click here, you will see this welcome to Nginx page. So this is how the load balancer services work. So thank you so much for your love and support, and we'll soon create all these scenarios. All labs will upload we'll create a very good things, so that you won't know, you don't need to go anywhere. You just click. We already created sidecar and Argo CD. Now we have created for Neokloud, sorry, load balancer. I will update it for, but your support must need. Thank you so much for your love and support.